Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these egg sausage muffins cooked in the silicone mat holder. So without further ado, why don't we just go right into the recipe on Ron's Keto Cafe, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Okay, so we have half a dozen or so sausage patties from the Banquet family, and these are perfectly fine for low-carb, keto, and carnivore. So right now I got the oven set at 400 degrees at 10 minutes, and I ended up cooking them for approximately 15 minutes. I added a little more time to it. Then I'm cracking a few eggs over here in the Ninja blended bullet that I have, and simple seasonings, and popped it upside down, got it going, and then once the sausages were cooked, put it into the mold, put the egg mixture over the top, and then I baked it in the oven for approximately 20 minutes at about 350 until it was there was no liquid coming out of the egg, and then the eggs were really fine. And let's just continue on with the process, and I'll talk about it at the end of the video. Well, here's the muffin tin mat that I use. It's silicone, and then I ended up spraying it with a little bit of cooking spray, and then I popped the sausage in the bottom of each one, and then I just topped it off with the egg mixture that I made, and I used the measuring cup so I wouldn't spill it all over the place. And these are sausages, and yeah, it's pretty much easy recipe. You could make these up ahead of time. Again, great carnivore meal, great keto meal, and I popped these babies in the oven at 350 degrees for approximately 20 minutes or until the eggs were fully cooked. And these tasted really fantastic. I mean, these are great meals. You can put in a little Ziploc bag or a plastic container, bring them with you to work, or snack them on the highway while you're driving. They don't make any mess really. And, I really enjoy doing these recipes for you guys. And, I hope you really enjoy what I've been cranking out, and for recipes, and for the channel, and for my inspirational videos that I put out daily and weekly, and my many walking adventures, and currently looking for a job, and hopefully something will come my way soon. And there you have our final product. And then I just popped them out and I put them in a dish, and I had a couple of these. These would be great with sriracha or ketchup or any of that sort of thing there. But if you're doing low carb, make sure it's low carb and sugar free. And again, don't forget to like, share at our YouTube channel. And this is our final product. And love you guys.